Namaste everyone. Thank you for joining me today. So today I'm going to share with you what actually got me into classical music and playing the flute. Being on the spiritual process for the last 2 years, I was being a child. I was never ever interested in classical music. All the people who used to sing ragas and the all that, yeah, it was just boring for me. I wonder why people used to like it so much, but now I understand. Being on a spiritual path, it's all about creating those vibrations. So I don't know, I just got hooked on to Indian classical for the last few years, and it just, with my sadhana and my other practices which I do, it actually complements very well with the sadhana I'm doing. Every time I listen to Indian classical music or any classical flute or any classical music, tabla or anything, it generates some vibrations. Whenever I listen to it with my eyes closed, it gives me a certain vibrations within my body. I feel really good, and those are the same exact feelings when I get when I'm actually in deeper states of consciousness, and I feel those energies and vibrations. Sometimes I just close my eyes and listen to this music, and I'm like almost half drunk because of so much joy which is going inside me, and the energies also rise with the rag. So any vocalist or any flute player or any um, tanpura or tabla player, when they play, it actually creates that environment, the mood, to actually set these energies up to the highest level possible. And that's basically been the best basis of Indian classic music. I don't know too much about it, I'm still learning the flute. So I got hooked onto the flute because it just brings a calmness and the subtle nature, and the, I don't know, like how can I express it. I just really love the calm and peacefulness when you get to know a really good player, and that's why I actually wanted to learn flute, because when I play the flute myself, I can feel the energies, the resonance which it creates. It's amazing, just amazing, and I just love being in that situation forever. Like even if I just play the sa, it just vibrates, and those vibrations create certain, something happens within my body, and I now have figured out it's probably the vibration. So when I play certain tunes, it actually starts generating the kundalini energy upwards, and it happens, and it's just fantastic. I just got I mean, Bhimsen Joshi and then Pandit Jasraj, those people, I just love the ragas they sing. It's just like amazing. And I think so people who are on spiritual path may agree with me or may not, I don't know, but especially for me this has really worked, because from childhood I was never into classical music. I did like Hollywood and Bollywood music, but never ever classical. Never understood it, never wanted to hear it, or never wanted to learn about it. But suddenly one day I was in my car after doing my sadhana, and then I think so it was the Indian radio which I turned on, and there was this classical song going on by Jasraj. It just blew my mind. It just started, the vibrations, I could feel the vibrations, and I said, and then I started digging deeper, and that's how I, you know, found love with the flute. And it's been amazing journeys till now. I'm still learning, so there's quite a bit to learn and get to know the sounds and how the vibrations are create and how certain moods are created. It's fantastic. Yeah, I just wanted to share this with you guys. But until next time, namaste. Thank you.